Welcome to Savage Off-Road. I'm currently towing a 2.8 ton Caravan on the back. We've got a lot of questions from our customers that have bought our brake controller on how to use the unit. So I thought I'd take it some time now whilst I'm traveling. I've been on the road for 12 hours. I'm traveling to Dubbo to a full drive park. So I thought I'd take some time and show you guys how to use our brake controller. All right, you have the brake unit, okay, that's mounted on the windscreen. Has a Type-C cable that runs from the back brake controller to the front unit and plugs into our plug-and-play harnesses for your GWM Canons, Canon Alphas, all the GWM range. However, this brake controller can also be used with other vehicles. Now, one of the key advantages of it is having a display that's so easily accessible when you're touring around Australia. So it's easily accessible. You've got an override button, so say for instance if I press this override switch, it'll say stop. That is in the scenario where, say for instance, you have trailer sway and your trailer swaying, you want to pull the trailer straight, okay, without braking the vehicle, and it'll brake the trailer only. You press the emergency override and it brakes. As you can see, that stop. Now, this white line that's on the screen here, you can adjust that. Now, that's your maximum braking ability. It means that, say for instance, you stomp on your brakes, that's as much braking force as it's going to give you. Now, you need to adjust that depending on what trailer brakes you've got on there, whether they're more sensitive, less sensitive. That's how you adjust that. You adjust that by pressing this and you'll see it move up and down, and you'll also get a red that says 7.6 right now, and that shows your maximum braking force applied in emergency braking or when you press the emergency override. Okay, as you can see, my adaptive cruise control is on and it's braking around this corner and it's applying 1.6% of force, or it's a value it's giving you. One of the other things, at the moment it shows S1. Say for instance you change your trailer regularly and you want to use a different trailer, and it either is heavier than the little box trailer that you've got on there with trailer brakes, or it's got a big horse float, or you've got a camper trailer, maybe the brakes don't work as well. You can easily change the sensitivity of it. So S1 is the weakest. So say for instance if I brake now, I'm applying like just touching the brake pedal and you'll see it's just coming up with the blue line. Now I'll change this from S1. I'll go all the way up to the highest number, which will be the biggest vehicle, which is S9. Big, massive float, like an American horse float. Look at that. All right, so now we're gonna brake and look at the force applied. That was with the exact same amount of brake pressure applied. It gives you way more braking force, okay? So you can adjust that depending on what trailer you're towing quite easily and quickly. Anyway, when your trailer is also connected, it comes up with a green tick, as you can see up the top there. Green little tick. The Bluetooth, it has capability for Bluetooth, but this feature is not working currently, but it's a feature for later on. So hope that helps you with your brake controller from Savage Tech Australia. So to go into the settings, you're going to go press the bottom button on the right, and you're going to get language, brightness, standby time, and correction till we get to manual brake, which is the manual brake override in an emergency. Okay, so we're going to press that now, okay, which enter is the bottom right, and see how it says fast? So that's for if you have an emergency and you need to quickly pull the trailer up, all right, how quickly this emergency button is going to react, whether it's going to react slowly, medium, or aggressively. Okay, so if I press that, see how aggressive that is? That's because it's on fast. Okay, so that's another setting that you can do. So there you go. Hope that helps with your brake controller. Thanks for joining us. Peace out. Have a good one.